Hey everyone, here's your Lake Anna real estate update. And this one is important, especially if you're thinking about selling. If you find this helpful, do me a favor, like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss one of our updates. Some of this information will be the same as the last report I did on February 18th. The numbers really didn't change much, with the end of February closing with 19 sales. Now that is directly around Lake Anna, so I just want to make sure the data that you're hearing, that you understand where it's coming from. So let's get right into it. Home sales are moving 37% faster than last year, but we're seeing more expired listings than before. What does this mean? Buyers are still active, but they're choosing carefully. They're looking for well-priced homes and skipping overpriced ones. Right now, we're seeing a clear pattern. Homes priced correctly from day one are selling fast. Homes that are just a little too high, well, they're sitting, and homes priced way too high, they're getting ignored. This is why you're seeing more price reductions, frustrated sellers, and homes that expire off the market without selling. Here's a quick real-world example. We recently listed 2 homes. One seller looked at the data, listened to what we did as a price recommendation, and then they determined to price their home competitively. Before it went live, we had multiple showings lined up. By the end of the first weekend, we had calls letting us know that we could possibly have offers already coming in. The other home, well, it was priced just a little high, and the results are clear. There were fewer showings. We haven't had offers. The house is great, but the buyers are being finicky and waiting for the right deal. Will this home sell at a higher price? Time is a factor, and finding that one person that'll fall in love with it and has to have it at that price, yeah, it could happen. So, what's the key takeaway? Pricing matters more now than ever. In a competitive market like this, pricing your home correctly from the start can mean the difference between selling it quickly with great terms or it's sitting on the market and losing money over time. If you're thinking about selling, you need to watch our next video. I'm going into a deep dive about pricing strategies for your home, why homes don't sell, the signs that your home is priced too high, and how the right price attracts the most buyers and the best offers. If you want a free personalized pricing strategy for your home, email me at the information below. I'll send it to you with no obligations. Just real data to help you make the right decision. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the deep dive, and I'll see you on the next update.